It's Mandalo.
Early morning level without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the line. Coin wise, salmon and salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of sunken? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and seminar we steady. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Good morning. Friday closed, but I'm still locked in. Let's go. Surprise stream. Let's get it. Who's got those Bugatti dreams? Santa Gauge. Indo-Lion Insistence. Let's get it. Tigrin. Vladimir. Gypsy. Bugama Mama. Red Hair. Shanks. Asi. Mark. Bud Foss. Skip Moha. Vladimir. Nono Diabito. Skip Moha, Lou Time, Crispy, Senate's hitting with levels on levels on levels. Aldista, JPX, MJ. What's going on, Nightbot Rex? Indeed. You enjoying, are you enjoying the weather? When it rains, it pours, huh? John Keefe, Hannah Montana, MJ. Curvies! Cage, let's get it. Shoutouts to the whole team. Shoutouts, Kimba, Lions, well discussed in Kimba's Den. Exclamation Discord. Shoutouts to Insistence on the gift subs. Paying it forward. No Diabito. Paying it forward. Maestro. Gifting subs. Good morning to everyone. How you doing? Lazar, Gravel T. Shoutouts to PSG. Pedro. I'm Tort Ronnie Wrecked. There's your 78. 78. Now he's going for 69. I mean, dude, Ronnie Stradamus. When's your show coming? When Ronnie? It's not when Lambo. We already got that. Holy shit, dude. When you wake up and fucking it's up 10%, it's a good feeling. Romulan. No, I19. Buzz! Shout outs to Buzz. Shout outs to the whole team. Shout outs to Kimba. He said boo-boo-ya. Vanya, Tenbine, Shishibui. How's everybody doing? Kobe! Dude, I got baby Mandalo shooting basketballs saying Kobe every time. You know what it is. Buzz! How do you get the confirmation box to the top? Okay, taking profit. Confirmation table. And then you put it in the main chart. And then you can position it anywhere you want. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Then you kind of know what's going on right away. All the data, the candles will match the prevailing color. But instead of it being down here and hidden, you can see what's going on without having the whole screen expanded. Yes, sir. How you doing, taking profit? 83rd, let's go. But shout out to Buzz. Yeah, it was just too spicy to pass up this morning. I can't go on for like a full, like, till the 4-hour close, but I can get a little hour in with y'all, catch up, vibe out before the weekend, go through some levels, a little nerd out if you guys are feeling spicy. Here is our spot CVD. Oh my God, that one was juicy. That was like 500 million, 400 million, 500 million. Just on that 130-minute push right here. Got him. Open interest. Open interest isn't really telling us a lot. I mean, shorts are getting ripe, but they got some shorts coming in. Yeah, this is our new liquidations indicator. And by our, I mean everybody that has access to CoinWise. Oh my goodness. Liquidations. Yeah, these look big, don't they? It was like over 1,000 in licks. 1,000 coins. And you can do a table for it. You can do a table for it. That's just based off of these, because I had the normal chart for CVD on Coinbase, but it's OKEX, Bybit, Binance, and some others. I don't want it on. I don't want to see it for this because I have everything. Everything. So what I was saying was, these look huge. That was 1,000 on that candle right here. That was the big dog from right here. Oh my goodness. It's really juicy to have this. Love it. I don't know anyone that's got liquidations except for CoinWise. Not on TradingView. So what are we doing here? We're holding 76. 76 is a big number. Please submit lyrics for the talent show. All right, Kagam. Let's see if I can fit some in. Do you have some in? This is CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. It's their new aggregation suite. It just came out yesterday. All right, Insistence, much love. Thanks for joining this morning. I hope you can make it back. Exclamation coin-wise. Yeah, this dropped last week. Confirmation Matrix and what was the other one? Oh, TPO Pro. TPO Pro. That is the juiciest, most back-testiest TPO indicator. It goes back further than TradingView if you configure it correctly, and it's more accurate for TPO. It's juicy. And then you got the single prints like what you're used to with TPO PVP. Yeah, but TPO is specific. Hopefully one day in the near future we'll have a volume one like this as well. That would be juice. Mango is 76050. That's what you're looking for. That's what you got in at. You just type in numbers now, bruh. What are you trying to say? What's going on, Mangler? Let's fucking go. Let's go, Kagam. You got some in? All right. I'll get Mrs. Mandalo to make some. I'm gonna make some. Let's go, Ronnie. When streams from Ronnie. Let's go, PSG. Neil, good morning. How are you doing? I am enjoying the weather this season, Nightbot. Shout out to Nightbot. Shout out to Stream Elements. Shout out to Kimba AI. Sales FIFA. Interestingly, you got longs closing out on this candle. Maybe a little bit coming back in. Yeah, this pullback, a lot of longs. A lot of longs trailed out. And it looks tiny. That's what she said. Dude, this is just from like the 70. This is 30-minute charts. This is fucked up. In 2 days, they ran it up like almost 20K. That's what I was saying. And when it rains, it pours. 136K. 186K. Level by level, you know. At your levels. I see you. I see you. Yearly EQ right here. Anchor VWAP from the top. Right up here. Unfilled rotation up right here. And there's that box that we were talking about right here. I think it was even better on CME. It was like right there. Maybe it looks better on the 4 hour. Yeah, and this 79,337 was a historical level from way back. Pretty cool. Right up to the single print. Well, they front ran one single print. That's a poor high, by the way, up at the top. Let's go, Yanthro. From way back. February. And actually goes back farther than that. Yeah. Pretty cool. Look at that daily. That is fucking beautiful. Who's feeling like you missed out? Hitman Gucci. Let's go. Tesla juice. Let's look at some other tickers. We got our initial balance just closed.
So loud, Kimba gang anthem, we move the crowd. Cashing in dreams, futures allowed. Juiced up forever, success about.
I think we got some CoinWise quizzes coming out this weekend, I heard. Go along with those indicators. Got some big lessons coming out. And stay tuned, I think we got the Who Juicing coming up in a little while, don't we? Ready for some Mandala knowledge? When I hear you say that, I just picture, and I said it in Wise Lines about something else this morning, but it just like resonates. The Pablo Escobar on the swing. I think we're gonna be waiting for a while. Let me just go collect some real quick. We already heard this song right before stream started, but I just can't not hear it. Let's get hype. Extreme value area, low, high. Value area, yeah. Yeah, for the whole range it ran through and fully rotated in like 2 candles. Crazy. Yeah. Welp. When you switch it to RTH and don't even have the prior candles in the screen, that's a big gap. Come on. Here we go. Let's see how big it is.
Let us build, stack it high. Juice the vibe, we touch the sky. Keep it moving, feel the beat.
Gap size $4,380 and then $3,300. Those are the biggest 2 gaps that we've had in like 2 years. Oh no. There's one from 1/20/2026. When was that? It was in January, dumbass. This big old gap. Let me turn the table off. Shout outs to CoinWise. This is the RTH gaps. So ES and S&P. I'm making my way over to Tesla, don't worry. Hey, at least it was a gap up on S&P. 69 for sure, then 90. Yeah, I think we want to hold 74. But if it's trading above 68, I think that it should be fine. SpaceX holding that low at 130. It was Tesla juice, huh? Snapped Italy. Snapped Italy, but we looked at that and said 350 and 360 were the biggest gammas. Who juicing is juicing? All right. Maybe something good to see on Who Juicing stream in a little while. Nice move on Tesla. I think gold was juicing. Nvidia, Kachoya. Apple. Yeah, we talked about that 310 and 320. $4,600 at gold. I think we picked that one out pretty nicely. Those highs aren't great. Maybe higher. Gold's looking good. But keep an eye on that weekly close, that daily close. Ideally, you get a close up here above the highs. It's not over though. So any talk of it's all over, that was it, that was the top, I'm not convinced. Yeah, you kind of already got your bullish retest. Right there. Silver still looking at kind of trying to tag that yearly open above 72. 71.5, 72. It's a good target. Oil. Go get some. Bad highs now. Yeah, look for that gap fill. Up to 90. We reject back outside that gap. Yeah. We really just need to hold that 83. Alright, let's get it back into the normalcy. And get some plans going on Biddy. Thank you for the resub, Papiga. Let's go. You get some juice in oil, crispy. 83th. Let's go. Still not taking profit on BTC. On spot, maybe. Not until 164K. Yeah, well. We'll do some hypotheticals in a few. Yeah, this is a morning nerd out, isn't it? Got these streets in a chokehold. Ice up on my wrist, got me feeling like a snow globe. Ain't no capping, this ain't fiction, boy, this real life. Started from the trenches, now my pockets looking real nice. Pull up with the gang, tinted windows, you can't see us. 100 for the fit. I got one of those gaps on this. But that's not an RTH gap that I got. This is daily. Yeah, just trading into it a little bit. That high here. Just above yearly EQ on RTH. Still could be a target without closing the gap. So like maybe a retest back up. You really don't want to make value any higher than that if you are hoping for lower. But it could still run those 83 highs. This chart might be a little cleaner. I thought that was the anchor VWAP from the highs. Nice little tag, right? Snap diddly. This is daily. I don't have it on this one. Yeah, so I mean, with this clean of these highs plus that tag, you have confluence. If you start getting some closes up above 78 during RTH, I think that these, if we get a daily close above here, I think these highs are coming. It doesn't matter if it's, I mean, a weekly close, goddamn. But yeah, that 83. This is kind of like the second to last stand before, like, what Kimba was saying in the den. It could be just Nightbot Rex 10 gift memberships. Shout outs to you. Let's go. Thank you. Let's go, Nightbot Rex. Shoutouts to the YouTube followers that just juiced up. Thank you. You want to see anything, Nightbot? It sounds like you have your plans all figured out, but I'm happy to chart whatever you like. Let's go. Hola's is start juicing slowly. Dury. I've never charted Holo. Is that kind of like, I don't know even to say it. What is it? Quick flip in the trend here, looking scary. I mean, you start getting some closes up there, like it's looking a lot more like the bottom's in. Certainly the near-term bottom is in. It's gonna take a little bit to get back there. That's strength. That was a lot of spot coming in here. Now, I think a lot of that spot was from IBIT. So, head on a swivel, but we're gonna enjoy it while it lasts. That 74 that I'm talking, that was that level that was a sweep that we were looking at before, where these highs were, and previous year low. So that's a pretty nice little bullish retest zone, and that level was pretty nice back through here. 74.2, 74. You know, it's all splitting hairs there, but it's an important level, and it goes further back than that. Coin-wise levels. It's holding structure for now. Not super well right here, but if you kind of extend it back, you know, it's the midterm trend. Ever since we broke above, it's fine. Everything's fine. You have some room. Look at that, how it intersects. And you have a single print here. How's it look in the 4 hour? Yeah.
Kimba gang, pull the trigger, money in the air, charge spinning, racks flipping, see us everywhere, squeezing kimchi out the block, saddles feeling pain from the jungle to the globe, lions run the game.
Insistence had to walk the dog. I see you. Thank you for the resub, Destax. Let's get it. You first one you bought since you always get a free one. Destax has been juicing. Nightbot Rex, you want me to chart anything? Yeah, these highs are no good here. They're looking to show a little strength coming back in. We'll get the order flow back on in a second. I want to just see what's going on CME. PSG's rocking, nerding out together, 15.
talking big moves, we gon' rise like the weather. Kimba's the lion, true king of the pride, showing all the fam, we got nothing.
We don't really need the gaps on right now. Oh my gosh. Living like kings and queens, Kimba gangs the squad. We hustle and grind, never settling down. Ambition intertwined. Luxurious preparation meets opportunity. We harvesting rice while we grind with unity. Counter trading Koreans. Yeah, remember that there's a bad high up here, just above 78.
But they never win. Coco praying hard, screaming, fuck this shit again. We 10 toes down, family all in. When Kimba sends the PSG, you know it's about to begin.
Yeah, that's the mid for the volatility. EDV indicator possibly coming soon. Anybody interested in that one? We previewed it a few times. Pro TPO. I should put it back on over here. It was just so much going on the chart. Exclamation CoinWise. I said that if, no, I'm not saying that the low is in. I said if we start getting closes, if we get like a high time frame close above 83, I think that it was probably in. And near term it is. We're up here. It's going to take a lot to get back down there, especially, I mean, it was a lot of liquidations, a lot of open interest got flushed, but it was a lot of spot buying too. Spot buying supports trend.
Juice and vibes with the elevate. Smoking like teas, money know the weight.
You do your strength stretching routine and price move higher. We'll do some more, man. I got some TPs to hit. Dude. I went to bed, it was like 75K. I woke up and I was like, what? They ran it up to 80? I don't know, Destax. I think that, you know what? Because we get so euphoric after like big moves like this. It might not even be that long. The market is like not looking at, can you check TON? Okay. The market's not really like super optimistic about rate cuts for FOMC, right? Anyway, so they're prepared. The data that's in, that's what they're using. There's nothing that I can like look at and it's gonna know more than what the markets already are accounting for. Any and all available information is already accounted for. It's like one of the fundamentals of Dow theory. Shout out to CoinWise. Okay, I'm making my way over to Ton, Nightbot. Yeah, thank you again for those gift memberships. Let's go. Yeah, I forgot what I was even doing. So we'll just go right to it. Y'all keep my head on, keep my head straight. They got it. Didn't they change the ticker on this? Didn't they change the name of it or something? Or they were going to? Weren't they going to change it to like Graham or something? Is that the right one? Destax, let's go! That's a good day. Oh, I was gonna like look back at the pump. That's all I needed to see was a big green candle to remind me. I think it might have more in it. It might only be this one above 150. But I think that is a pretty nice target. They definitely just cleaned up a lot of weak highs on the daily. So if it falls back below like 140, 142, you see all this here, right? It might fall back into the range. That's kind of like a level that I would want to hold on the daily. This is ATR trend. Are you in Ton or are you trying to get in? Nightbot. Thank you, Destax. Hey, Destax, you want to see anything? You want to give a little back? Shout outs to Destax. He juicing. Get the umbrellas out. I'm going to get the umbrellas out for Nightbot, too. Oh, YouTube doesn't even have that many. YouTube's slacking. Twitch is just better in that regard. Here, I can do this one. You're mining it, okay. Who was it that said something about hollow? Yeah, for now, I do like this move a lot. I'm going to stick to my guns and say that this 144 on the daily is a level that needs to hold. I think I could tolerate a pullback down into like this, and that's weekly value area high. Maybe it dips down below 140 if it were to pull back and still remain bullish for like looking like a bullish retest. Insistence, have a great day. Thanks for joining this morning. Thank you for those gift subs too. I hope you have a good one, man. I'll catch you maybe on Monday, hopefully. Have a nice weekend. Juice up. More juice, more. Valentina. Good morning, how are you? Yeah, absolutely. What do you have any thoughts, Nightbot? Or you just want to see like kind of where we're going? I'd like to see it make it to 150 at least. But as long as conditions remain not bearish, I'm not even gonna say bullish. And I don't know about like all of the fundamentals that may be spinning around regarding this coin. That low is no good. It didn't even take this. But it changed structure. We were out of there. So that would be kind of interesting up here, even though they swept this at 180. That would be juice. 166. Be a cool area. Let's fib that. Golden pocket. Pretty much. Where is it on this one? Snapped Italy. And then that's your Kimba box, the rest of it. 75786 up here. At that high that I marked. Yeah, even that. So naturally it could be resistance. You might get like, maybe you can get 7505 bullshit. 7505 is 140. It's so funny how fibs like line up with structural levels, isn't it? It just is all intertwined. Yeah, absolutely, Nightbot. Being a miner, I guess you're holding it. But yeah, a nice TP zone. Maybe shaving a little bit off. And trail a little bit out if it starts closing back down here below the 140, and maybe shaving a little off above the 150. Wouldn't be the worst idea, but I'm not trying to tell you what to do. You clearly know what you're doing. If you're mining it, good lord. Just some ideas I would have if I was trading it. And I'm not right now. I'm not, but I mean, when I put in 5-10 minutes into charting something, then I'm like, okay. Sunset. Oh boy. I'd love to hear it, man. Because I know that you're just beginning your trading journey. That's a juicy entry. Who has... Raise your hand if you have an entry above 79. Anybody else? You know, with price pulling back and longs stopping out, it's not a bearish thing. Not a really bearish thing. So make sure that you don't let that trade go red. Yeah, that's amazing, Sunset. Was this something that you were planning for, or you were just like, it just went up so fucking hard, I'm smashing it? What was your plan? It just went above, I'm market smashing. Let's go, Destax. Destax, you trading anything else, or are you just in biddy? Everything is popping. I'm glad it worked for you this time. I don't know if it will always work. Not really a repeatable process, but I'm really happy to see that it worked for you. Just stay stacking. You even bought 109? Yeah. Keep stacking, Nightbot. I am confident to say that even if it doesn't happen this week, you're gonna see that level again. You know, my first bull market, and you may have been around for a long time. You may have been around during that one. I bought the highs, or close to them, and then I bought all the way down. Cachoya. Yeah, minus 0.2% is not too bad. Dom check, you bought 79.2 long? Okay, only one R. Yeah. It's never going down. It's hard to look at though, and you're like, you don't have exposure and it just runs that hard. It happens to a lot of people, even like some of the whales. All good, brother. You know what? It takes a real man to admit. Laser eyes, Bitcoin goes up. Let's go. Yeah, when's the laser eyes come back on everybody's PFPs? You're only spot? Hey, you didn't miss a train. You're in spot. Are any of your, wait, is your average entry above or below current price? Synonym. You at least brought your average entry down on this consolidation the past 6 months, didn't you? Okay, you're getting close. Let's go Synonym. All good. All good. You know, just keep working at it. Yeah, that average entry is going to look super Gucci when Bitcoin's trading at 150, isn't it? He just said 150. I'm market smashing. I'm market smashing right now. Yeah, we want to see it go back above 78. I'm mindful of rejection up here. Yeah, Golden Pocket aligns with that same box. Yeah, what I was kind of thinking about with this was, you remember like this little push right here, that couple of days, which is that. earlier this year in January, it was like, oh, we are so back. We're so back. We just don't want it to fall back into value. Or like something like this. But the consolidation was so much longer. The way that they're doing it right now, it reminds me a lot of this one. When we broke out in 24. Or of that recovery in April. So that's something that I'm going to be keeping an eye on, the structure that develops whenever this slows down. It could be through the weekend. Because you see, this was like weekend, and then we actually kind of like grinded for like a week. But you see, again, like this little structure, it's still like drifting upwards as it consolidates in that important level. If you see that like above 78, it's probably going a lot higher. Same thing happened. And you know, that was like just a fib up here. But when we first came up in 24, that's something I'm going to be watching too. And even, yeah, that right here. Keep an eye on it. You know, when it starts slowing down, consolidating, how is that structure developing? But I'm just looking back for like when we had some reversals. You know, that was a pretty long consolidation and we kind of like sprung out of it. What happens in the next step? That'll be telling for whether we might get continuation in the mid to higher time frame, or if it's going to pull back and fail. Yeah, you got it there. 3 strong days to break out, but that wasn't after like much bearishness. So it's cool to like look back historically to compare behavior. I think that it's wise to do it within the past couple years, like from 24 forward, because that's when we had ETFs trading also, and this has ETF fingerprints on it for sure. There is certainly some influence, even if it's not based off of only the ETFs. So we have to account for that, and I like to, you know, use the information that we have with their influence. That's what I'm just trying to get at there. It leaves a lot of bad lows and conditions. Yeah, we even talked on that before it broke out the other day. We're like, oh yeah, there's lows, yeah, but it's breaking out. And it's really common to leave lows behind or highs behind in bearish conditions unfinished. It's absorption. And when you change structure, you got to forget about that for the near term. It has been so long, liquidologist. We haven't gotten something like this since like February. Mangler, what's ICE? TP gone. XRP is 1.6. Okay. What is XRP trading at? I know Zcash is juicing. XRP is at 160. You're getting there too. You know, I haven't even had the heart to look at this. I did. They finally. I had some big orders at like 65 or 66. They finally let me scoop some up before the move. I actually haven't even logged into that account. But you know, spot, you just set it and forget it. If it's at your levels, high time frame, it's spot. Yeah, XRP, you want to see that? John Kata. You want to see the 130K Kimba level? Yeah, we'll go back to the higher time frame and chart that one more time in just a second. Yeah, these are the things that I kind of start to get worried about, is when we get so euphoric after a couple of green candles. When crypto Twitter says the bottom's in, like it's going up forever, new all-time highs imminent, 180K this year. Yeah, it was kind of sus, but you gotta like just, if it's the first time you've seen it, it's off-putting because you're so accustomed to liquidity grabs. Good candle, good candle. It's slamming into the point of control, isn't it? Yeah, we get a close above 142 up here, the point of control area. Oh boy. You know, rotate to the highs. I would say even higher than that with the bad highs, the weak highs that are up here. Maybe to the yearly EQ. I don't want to get too excited beyond that. But I could see, you know, we flip that point of control, we might be able to see a move somewhere up here even. That'd be probably a decent little area to take profits. Maybe down to there. That box is hella big. What is good? That's what he said. It's thick. I forget why I drew it that big before. What's going on, the worst scene? You've been adding since $300? Let's go. Wait, on Bitcoin? What's your average entry, Nightbot? Damn. Nightbot's been here forever. When was it trading at $300? Holy shit. I was gonna do it anyway, so don't save. Look at those ugly ass lines that I drew the other day. I thought I deleted them. Oh man. I don't even know what I had on here. $300. We go in the weekly. Oh, it's not even gonna show it on Coinbase, is it? Oh well. Damn, you've been around since like 2016, huh? Look at that. Look at that weekly structure. It's just like, meh, we're going. That's why you got to look at a log back for like the historical charts. Damn, look at that weekly candle. That is juicy. When's the last time we got something like that? Here, flat bottom too. Oh, nearly. That's a juicy fucking weekly candle. To me, that doesn't look like a market bottom, but that doesn't either. That doesn't either. So it doesn't have to look like anything. Okay, what was I doing? Oh, it was like looking at the candles, I think. If you could turn back time, yeah, $300. Yeah, you're Gucci Nightbot. Shout outs to you. Yeah, thanks for joining. Thanks for sharing some of the love with the stream. You. Thank you for the resub, you. How we doing? All right, let's get it back and see some tools again. Yeah, stick around for maybe like 20 more minutes, I think. I gotta work today. I wish I could just stick around for the Thwala all day. Yeah, high time frame, those are the levels that I'm kind of looking at. How about y'all? 2012, if you could turn back time, dude. My buddy in like 2013 was like, hey, there's this thing called Bitcoin that like, he works on oil rigs like internationally, or used to, because he's like retired now, I guess. Obviously in 2013, he was like telling me to start mining Bitcoin. And I was like, what? I know Microsoft Word. I was like, that's too much work. Fucking idiot. Trade all his BTC for Litecoin. Oh. Dude, I knew somebody that did it like back in 2017, I think, and like cashed out, like quit doing it and just cashed out and bought a house and just like, he works like a job, but it's like he doesn't have to, he just does it. And he's just chilling. But I don't know, man. If I like did well like that, I'm not like, I don't think I could be just one and done. It's that same discussion that we had the other day, like more. You get a taste for it. All the meals I took, look how I'm winning right now. Pressure make diamonds, I was built from the stone. You ain't working. So, the new indicators. Oh man. I'm thrilled. How you guys, who's using some of the new CoinWise indicators? Liquidations aggregated, funding rate aggregated. They did this shit. I told you yesterday. And we talked about that high and we're like, I don't know. When we were through here, I don't know about all this. When did we get off? Right here? I'm not too optimistic on a short here. Yeah, and then it runs up 10% after the stream yesterday. I'm not really thinking too much about shorts right here. You remember that? Jeez, come through like a freight train. There was a ton of hype around Litecoin. Didn't it run up to like $1,000? Silk Road, let's go, we're seen. We got all those unfilled rotations from way back. Where's the next one? 88, 89. There has to be some more to the downside. I guess since we closed in value, it's not like really a rotation. Oh, that was the last thing that I was doing on the high time frame. All right, I'm gonna do this. Is this the right one? No. Is this where I was? This is the last thing. Yeah, maybe. Do I got? Let's see if I got the derp. I'll go from here. Dynamic fixed range profile, TPO, and volume. It almost completed it yesterday. We have completed it today. Now we're breaking out. Where was it from there? So how about that?
Hey, you a fool for this one. Whole week loaded. Got the plans on lock, got the charts decoded. Levels set, bags reloaded, no second guessing, charts unfolded.
I mean, the way that I drew it, it was not a pristine pull, but pretty close. Crazy, huh? TPO and volume. This dynamic fixed range profile for TPO and volume. Pretty cool, right? So you see that, like, where we came through today at that 74, that's not just like a made up number. That's another reason. So you got structure, you got time, and you got volume and liquidity, all based on that kind of 74 idea. And so if it doesn't just like grind upwards for this high, that's a reason that I'm really keeping my eyes on the 74. Below that, like 71, kind of the level that we were like thinking about breaking out from, and then 68. Good strategy is a spot buy at monthly SMI lower than 75 to 82. Okay. Okay. I've seen some things like that before. I like that. Zakaram. You so stochastic? I'm not mad at that, dude. CoinWise video coming soon. On stochastics. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And sell above 50? Sell above what, 70? Or just sell when you get divergence? Yeah, it's something I'd like to look at a little bit more. I like that idea, Zakaram. That's cool. Next unfilled is a 82.1 weekly rotation. Does it show up in the dashboard? Oh yeah, we got it. We got the rotations back. Okay, I meant in the CoinWise levels. All right. Let's bring it back down to earth. Because I don't have much time left. I gotta go to work. Okay, so levels. Unfilled rotations. We do have one down to 71,235. We started accepting below 73. And then weekly up to, so we start entering and getting some closes above 79.5 because we rejected it. And that's another kind of clue, that even level. Did you guys see last night when Coinbase pumped it to 75 even and then it kind of pulled back for very briefly? I was like, oh yeah, that's not the top. You have one level at 81,850 or 81,150. Yeah, so 81,122. That's pretty close to your levels. Sell when happy. Yeah, it's hard to do that, man. I kind of like, you know, you get those like little twinges of regret where you take profit and it keeps going up, but you can't be upset when you make money. You just have to. Otherwise, you'll give it all back and you'll feel a whole lot differently. Let's go, Zakaram. Yeah, the monthly rotations not accounted for. Let's look at the dashboard. So this is from coinwise.com. Any of the subs, regardless of the tier, have the CoinWise daily levels, as well as the trading journal, which is about to be updated. They're working really hard on it. I've previewed it. It looks amazing. Yeah, and you get indicators, and then like there's different tiers that have different levels of education and stuff. But it's really juicy. Shout out to CoinWise, big stream supporters and sponsors. Yeah, and then coinwise.com. Oh yeah, if you haven't tried it out yet, exclamation CoinWise 14-day free trial. You can see what it's all about and see if you like it. Curvies, you have a friend that, how could he switch from? Yeah, these are like metaphors, right? That's hilarious. If you just kept the BTC, yeah. How about the pizza guy? That's hilarious. No, you got to respect what that was about, though. It wasn't about buying a pizza for the money. It was about using Bitcoin for real use. Charlie Lee, it was supposed to be silver to gold. Yeah. There is only one. Shout outs to Kimba! That's right here. I'm supposed to be silver to the gold. I can't even I'm like the Litecoin to the Bitcoin. Shout outs to Kimba. Let's go. All right, dashboard. Dashboard. Exclamation CoinWise for those levels that we just looked at, and coinwise.com/dashboard. So unfilled rotation on the weekly as Cage so intuitively shared with all of us. 82,130 coming up. Question mark. More giveaways coming next week. Shout out to Kimba. Juiced up the Lions this week. Huge giveaways the past couple of days. CoinWise juiced us up. We had a lot of giveaways from the community as well. Shout outs to all of you. But thank you to Kimba, Ubit, and BitBase. And congratulations to everybody that is juicing. MEXC, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, and don't forget about the TX Flow. The TX Flow airdrop coming soon. Check exclamation Discord for the deets on that one. Well, we got that rotation coming, potentially. It's something to keep in mind, as well as those highs. The 4-hour candle not looking great in the previous 4-hour. This one's looking okay. Looking like we're filling in some of that wick pretty nicely. And then our monthly. Let's see. Yeah, that's that rotation that we were talking about. The nearest one anyways. And then LIQs, short term, I'm going to go back way far. Yeah, below 60. That's pretty normal when you start moving away with this aggression, moving away from a level. Yeah, and definitely some big LIQs up above 82. Beyond there, your probably next level of LIQs is going to be in this range above 91. So turn 83, 84 into support. 91's the next level. We're going to take it level by level though. I'm just saying, like, if they keep moving it the way they have the past couple of days, I'm not counting on that through the weekend. I'm not counting on that through the weekend. I think it might need to breathe a little bit, but we might get a little bit more movement today. There's a lot of session left to go. Let's go, Houston. Kimba, Kimba.
I said that I'm a ride from a motherfucker Kimba. Most likely I'm a charted with my level on the field, bro. I've been grinding outside all day with my Kimbas.
Get it.
I ain't going in unless I'm with my Kimba, 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 my motherfucker.
I'm cranking it.
Kimba, my Kimba, my Kimba, my Kimba, my Kimba, my
El Pasoto, let's go. I'll turn it down after the song. That would be juice, Rev QQ.
Looking for that pullback, let me call my Kimba. He pull that fib up, gotta measure them levels, bro. Some Kimba smoke, some Kimba's red math. Got Kimba's on the chart with that lettuce in their hand. Said that's a Kimba back up. He got that plan stacked up. Gotta trade right if you Kimba's want to.
Coinwise.com/dashboard. Share it. It's juice.
He chasing every wick, no, that ain't my Kimba. Take a Kimba's dove, yeah, that's my Kimba. Know them since the swing lows, yeah, that's my Kimba. Caught that 886. Flipped it to the 6.
How you doing, El Pasoto?
Get that trade right. Profit on the high. Fuck them other Kimbas. I'm down for my Kimbas. I ride for my Kimbas. Yeah. I said that I'ma ride for my motherfucking Kimber. Most likely I'ma chart it with my level on the fibber. I've been grinding outside all the day with my Kimbers, and I ain't going in unless I'm with my Kimber. My Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my motherfucking Kimbers. My Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber. Yeah, just know I'm down with the KIMBA'S, down for me. I got 2 words for your juice and loyalty. It was me and my Kimber charting them levels clean. Then we used to hit that bounce and collect all the green. Me and my down ass Kimber getting fibbed up. Market get the trippin', we know how to line it up. Just know I got your back the long way, my Kimber. So when I see you at
To the balcony. We'll be right back. I might be able to make it like 15 more minutes. We'll see. 1 second.
Making figures. Who got a 6-way name? Who got that 05? Don't matter. Let's say that I'ma ride for my motherfucking Kimber. Most likely I'ma chart it with my level on the fibber. I've been grinding outside all day with my Kimbers, and I ain't going in unless I'm with my Kimber. My Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my motherfucking Kimbers. My Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber. Yeah. My Kimber got games, my Kimber got math. My Kimber frontin' me, that is, I'm never going back. My Kimber got a plan, my Kimber got my back. My Kimber, we eatin' every trade, that's a fact. And we still catching moves with my Kimber, my Kimber. Moving stacks, candles up with my Kimber, my Kimber. I flip that tray with my Kimber, my Kimber. If the chart talking noise, it ain't my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber, my Kimber. Side on my Kimber. And I ain't leaving the trade floor without my Kimber. Juicing in them charts, yeah, we eating with my Kimber. Let's go. But it wasn't enough room, too many Kimbers. My Kimbers, my Kimbers. I need that 05 to 75 rotation, my Kimber. And I'm all about my edge like a suit and tie Kimber. I ride for my Kimbers. I said that I'ma ride for my motherfucking Kimber. Most likely I'ma chart it with my level on the fibber. I've been grinding outside all day with my Kimbers, and I ain't going in.
Let's go. Thanks, Skip Mohawk. Let's go. Welcome, Pee Wee Kiwi. Yeah, Res QQ. All right. Don't forget about the den in the Discord. Exclamation Discord. Check out the KIMBA'S den for the plans, ideas, and scroll through it. Scroll through it if you haven't been reading it and looking through it. Wise Lions, juicing hard. The Discord's a great support structure. And then, of course, you had the PSG through the weekend. Yeah, don't forget that there is the Who Juicing coming up. Is there, right? Yeah, Who Juicing and LIQUIDITY's Got Talent coming up in a little while today. And yeah, the CoinWise dashboard juice. Damn, even more open interest coming in today. Holy shit. Look at that, 2 billion. $2.2 billion in open interest in CME coming in. You can get the data on CME, but I think that this is the only place you can get charts for it. This has been chartized. Chartified. Look at that, longs. We were looking at that yesterday. A little bit of taking profit. Shout out to taking profit. Cage Getting the Lituche. Yeah, one of these days we'll get a nerd out on that. I was looking at the GEX though for next week, which is our monthlies. Yeah, monthly TRADFI options are today, or were today. Yeah, maybe get a little bit of action after the lunch break. You know, London session being closed. Yeah, exclamation coin wise, if you haven't tried out these indicators, they are juice. You get a 14-day free trial. Or just get in there. Just get in there. Shit tons of education. They got like over 100 educational features. Yeah, that dashboard also has the knowledge base. It's got like 25 articles and videos that go along with many of the tools that you've seen today. Exclamation coinwise. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Juicy. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't say that it's a good idea to go heavy in any one direction, especially on a Friday. El Pasoto, how are you doing? Are you juicing? Yeah, that doesn't mean don't trade it. You can find some little short-term setups. Maybe find a altcoin that hasn't popped yet that's like looking good. You remember how hype took a little bit before it popped? How's hype looking? We actually didn't chart that one. Oh, called it. Called it. We said that all-time high was coming. Who was here? It wasn't there yet yesterday. Yeah, I think it did this morning. Damn, right off the open? It hadn't gotten it yet, had it? I was like rushing. I was trying to make it happen today to come on. I missed it. Juice. Beautiful. It just won't pull back for us. But y'all, Biddy just gave us like a 4% pullback. Kirby's. I know, dude. What do you mean it gave it? I think a lot of this like forgotten alts are gonna look like that stops. I don't know about this. I don't know about that one. Scrolling through the traits, yeah, we check the stats. Background rare, that's a lion in the mask. So just like what happened with hype before, when it broke above its prior all-time high, we want to monitor whether we get some closes up here above the new all-time high. I'm talking daily closes. And this is one that's less affected by TRADFI at current time. So on the weekends and everything, maybe you can put a little bit more weight into it. You want to see NA? I'm really gotta be out of here. Anybody else need to see anything? That's hilarious. Thanks for sharing that one. Stops taken. Oh my god, that's fucking fugly. Ugly. You think no pullbacks? That's no pullbacks. Oh my god, that's like a 50% move too. In a day. Hilarious. 66. Oh man. If I shoot my fib, I'll hit one. Matter of time till I get them all pissed off. Alright, we can go NFT for NFT. Juice. Fuck that. We can go man for man. Yeah, but I think that it kicked in as soon as it broke from here. That $10 level, damn. It makes it a lot easier to chart. That might be a short if it closes below this. Some people might already shorted it. It's fucking hideous though in the low time frame. Yeah, you see? Is it gonna flip that level or no? The high's not super good. That's when it kicked in. It broke that high. Retest, reclaim, and then just turned it on. Dude, that's like an escalator up. You know those like little machines, and they have every once in a while you'll see one that's like on an incline. It's a treadmill on the incline. Let's go, stop taking. Beautiful. Yeah, I definitely have not been watching that one. Shout out to you, stops taken. Yep, they did take some stops. That's funny. Juice. All right. All right, I gotta get out of here, y'all. I want to just vibe all day, but I actually have a lot of work to do. Baby Mandalo birthday this weekend. So I definitely got to work to make sure that, you know, that's a good day. And we'll check back in on this on Monday. Stop taking, you be here on Monday? Did it get, oh my god, right at the yearly EQ? I'm still interested in this for the rest of the session. If you have to trade it, this is like, oh no, man. I would just play the value area and point of control. Like maybe you get a pullback to VWAP and a bounce if this isn't the high. But dude, I mean, it didn't quite make it to 78, did it? I gotta see it on what I had. .05 exactly. To the pixel. Damn. Yeah, you might see it kind of form a triangle and then just kind of like drift one way or another through it, and then whichever direction it goes, that would be like kind of the fade. So if it like drifts down, if it drifts up, I think that less of a fade and more of a, so like, just so you can kind of get an idea what I'm describing. Fucking paintbrush. So, yeah. Like that. It might not even make it down that far. And you see it's holding VWAP. Up here, I'm thinking less that it's going to be like a high right there. I'm thinking more like if it bounces and breaks, you're going to get it like that. Until conditions change, you need to respect that this is a strong move. So use the data. Longs are still TPing, getting closed out. Use the data. Spot CVD, definitely not as aggressive right now. It's a Friday. CME weeklies, got to be done. No fear, only strength. Yeah, thanks, Mark. Shout outs to you. All right, stops taken. Let's do it. Yeah, I appreciate that. Hope you all have a great weekend. Exclamation CoinWise and coinwise.com/dashboard. In the meantime, check out the CoinWise. Make sure that you update your UIDs on the dashboard. Ubit, BitBase, and TX Flow are great places to start. I don't see what's wrong with doing it on all of them, just in case one of the other exchanges steps up and wants to do a giveaway. Shout out to Coke Zero for running game on the trade comp. And shout outs to all of you for locking in with me this morning, for joining up. Good times, a little bit of nerding out. You'll get more chances if you miss the move. It's okay. No one move is going to change your life other than a negative one. So don't forget that. We talked about that yesterday. It's painful to see if you're not in. I know, but you'll get another chance. And just practice or backtest. Map out how you would play it differently, or what you want to see in the next move. Make plans. Don't mope. Don't chase. Make plans. Let's go, Sales. Yeah, and of course PSG can help steer you straight through the weekend. Nerd out. Shout outs to the whole team. Shout outs to Kimba. Houston, Cage, Buzz coming at you in about an hour from now. Who juicing? Exclamation who juicing. And then Liquidity's got talent later. Get your lyrics submitted. You have the chance to win $250 bucks. I'm gonna do it. I keep saying I'm going to, and then I keep being like not able to make the time for it. I'm gonna do it though. Let's go, Black Pony. Thank you, Black Pinoy. Thank you for the resub. 43 months, let's go. Allrum, MJ. Get your spacesuits up. Get your spacesuits and your tippity tap taps. Let me see that. Come on now. Let's go. Let's go. Hope you all have a great weekend. Touch some grass. Even if it's just with your hands, you know, putting them into little devices or something. Make sure you touch some grass. You all deserve it. It's been a big week. We got another big week next week. Let's keep up the momentum. Thank you again to CoinWise and all of you. Hannah Montana, Karoon, ResQQ, MJ, Allrum, Mark, John Cotta, Curvies, Hannah Montana, Asi, Nono Diabito, Salas, Stops taken, Pedro, taking profit loot time, Curvies, Karoon, Jupiter, Caterpillar climbing a tree. I missed that one. Shout out to you. Hype is dope, isn't it? Yeah. Let's go, Barentina. No. Cage, Crypto Bro, El Pasoto. Have a I-19. Solace. John Keefe. Housty Cappy, good morning. Good afternoon, good evening. I'm out of here. Sorry you missed it, man. I hope you have a great weekend. Yeah, you can catch up on some modestly interesting thoughts on exclamation YouTube. But we had a good day. I hope you have a great one. E-Socks for Love and Peace. Shout outs to you. Happy weekend to you, El Pasoto. Shout outs to PSG. They got you. Exclamation Discord. Kimba's Den and PSG got things on lock. Vladimir. 10 binds. All right. Love y'all. Have a good one.
It's Mandalo.
Early morning level without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. CoinWise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to CoinWise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. CoinWise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions per air when candles start pumping. Uncle for the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. CoinWise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. CoinWise family and similar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones of the structure. Pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out to CoinWise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels.